tveir og A moment I was happy, how I was facilitating. I allowed time. I waited till they were ready to speak. I was holding the space for people. I was holding the space for people. Sometimes as facilitators, we ask a question, suggest an activity. Then we want the answer right away. You get anxious, you get anxious. Special moment for me. Living with my anxiety. Then I say no, this is not about you. It's about this whole group. You need just to hold space for them. You need just to hold space for them. Something came at the time of the group. A nice moment, a nice moment. I was holding the space for people. I was holding the space for people.